After our assignment page is an introduction to one of our week 2 assignments, and that's our YouTube video introduction. I've placed this in week 1 so that you can get a bit of a head start, since it is a video platform which might be new for you. Please note that this video is due Thursday of week 2. What you'll be doing is creating an introductory video of yourself, uploading it to YouTube, and then embedding that particular YouTube video in our discussion board, which is at the bottom of this page here. To create a video, all you're going to need is either your camera right on your computer, or you can take your phone and point it right at you. It doesn't have to be sophisticated. I have written out for you prompts that you should be answering during your introductory video. Below the prompts is an instructional video by Professor Brian Psycho on how to create a video. I do specifically want you to embed this video into the discussion post, so there is directions on how to embed. Then your peers can watch that video directly in the post. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me, get a hold of me, and spend the time reading through this and going through the videos. Down at the bottom of the page is an introductory video that I have created. I also was playing with the video editor as well, and so have a few additions beyond what's expected for you. To post your video, you scroll to the bottom, click in this box. Okay, here's where you're going to enter your reply. Instead of typing in here like your typical discussion board, this time you're going to embed a video. To do this, I'm going to show you with my own. I go to my YouTube channel, and here is my video. I want to share my video. And specifically, I want to embed it directly into Canvas. So I'm going to click Embed. It gives me the embedding code. All I have to do is hit Copy. Go back into Canvas. I need to click specifically on the HTML editor to be able to embed. Now, I right-click and paste that embedding code. I'm going to click again on the editor, and there we go. My video is directly in the Canvas post, and I can say post reply. I have also included some links to student outcomes of the university and learning outcomes specifically to our degree advancement program. So everything that you learn in this class has a specific objective. For me to be a successful instructor and you as a successful student, we must meet those learning objectives. Those particular objectives are linked to an outcome in our program, which in turn is linked to an outcome for Boise State University. It is the instructor's role to take those learning objectives and align them appropriately to program outcomes. For example, this week, our objective was to demonstrate an understanding of educational philosophy and learning styles. As we go through the outcomes for the program, student learning outcome number 6, teaching patients and healthcare professionals, says students will demonstrate the ability to educate patients, their families, and healthcare professionals. Here we are aligning our objective for the course to the outcome for the program. I emphasize this point at the end of this video as an introduction to week 2, where you will develop course objectives and identify how they align with the institution's learning outcomes. For those of you that decide to become educators, the skill of creating objectives and aligning them to outcomes is something that you will use for the rest of your career.